Hello and welcome. Today we are going to unbox the DeepCool Castle 360EX in white. First up, we have three black and white fans with a DeepCool logo. Next, we have a small box containing all the accessories. Inside we find all the necessary wires to power up the water cooler and fans. We also have the mounting hardware for both Intel and AMD sockets. Lastly, there is an installation guide to help you through the process. Now, let's move on to the cooler itself. It's a 360 radiator, which means it can accommodate three 120mm fans. Unfortunately, the tubes are black, which doesn't quite match my all-white build. By twisting off the cap, we can remove the centerpiece with the logo and replace it with a clear one. Now, let's take a closer look at the cables. First, we have the power cable for the cooler, which also includes a controller to change the RGB effects. Next, there's a triple fan splitter allowing you to connect all three fans to a single header on your motherboard. Lastly, we have the cable that connects your cooler to your motherboard. Here's how the cooler looks once it's installed. Thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next one.